steak medallions with potatoes. So this dish calls for small little steak medallions, and I'm using beef fillet. Hello. And I have a cast iron skillet that's really hot with a little bit of butter and olive oil, and I'm gonna put them seasoned side down. I seasoned the steak medallions with Montreal steak seasoning, which is so delicious. Oh, it's just got all the good things that you want for red meat. Okay, now I'll sprinkle the seasoning on the other side. And the good thing about beef fillets is even if you undercook them a little bit, they're still delicious. You definitely don't want to overcook them. Okay, so I've got the skillet on medium-high heat. It's gonna get a little smoky in here, but I'm gonna cook these steaks until they're medium rare. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. All right, the steaks look amazing, so I'm gonna get them out of the skillet, and I'm gonna turn the heat to about medium. And Alex, look at this skillet.
Oh my God.
I mean, the flavor in this pan. It's butter, it's oil, it's a little bit of the steak flavor. It's the Montreal steak seasoning. Amazing. So I'm gonna let the steaks rest, and I'm gonna add a whole bunch of onions to the skillet, of course without cleaning it at all, because you want the onions to get kind of dirty with all that yummy steak flavor and seasoning. And then I have garlic and thyme and oregano, just a little bit of both. And those go in. So now I'm gonna stir the onions around and let them cook until they're really golden and soft. It's gonna take about 6.2 minutes. All right, Alex, look at this. Look at these onions. Oh my word. I love caramelized onions. It's one of my favorite things in the world. White wine, and I'm adding, all of it. At a certain point, when you feel like there's only that much left in the bottle, you might as well just add the rest. Okay, and then this skillet is so hot that it's basically gonna evaporate pretty quickly and reduce, and it's gonna be this just super flavorful onion sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna let that reduce, and I'm gonna go drain these potatoes, but I'm gonna show them to you first, Alex.
Okay.
They're little baby potatoes.
Oh, they're so cute.
I know, and I've just been simmering them in water. They're nice and tender, so I'm gonna go drain them. This will take me 10 seconds tops. All right, so I've got the potatoes, and I'm just gonna put them straight on the serving platter where I'm gonna serve everything else. Hopefully I don't have any runaways. And then, this is so cool. Did I lose one? Oops. Okay, so I have this little dish, and I'm gonna use it to smash the potatoes. So come look, and I'll do just a few at a time. Ready? Look, it just kind of breaks them open and makes them just a little bit more inviting. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to these, and it'll all make sense. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle the potatoes with a little bit of sea salt. And then I almost forgot, I have a little dish of horseradish sauce, and I'm gonna make a little space right in the center. Ooh, I love anything that has a dish of sauce right in the middle of it. It just means it's gonna be extra delicious. Okay, so the onions are looking amazing, and I have some softened butter, believe it or not. And I'm just gonna kind of swirl it into these onions, and it just kind of helps that sauce become a little bit more rich and creamy. Oh my. Okay, so the onions are looking great. So I'm gonna basically put these all over the potatoes. Oh my word, delicious. That looks delicious. And as you can imagine, so the steaks, Alex, what do you think so far?
They're beautiful.
And just nestle them in on top of the potatoes. You can kind of push them in here and there. Oh, how special is this? It could be for Father's Day, a birthday. I mean, you can make it for your mom too. Moms like food like this. And then this is the key. All of this flavor from the steaks as they've been resting. You don't want to wash this down the drain. That would be a travesty. And then there are a few extra onions, so I'll just kind of put a few over the steaks, grab some parsley leaves, and just sprinkle them over. Makes it pretty, gives it a little freshness. All right, steak medallions with potatoes. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Yeehaw!